Hello everybody, this is Airsoft Customs. Today we have a client which is kind of crazy. He bought two identical guns. And why do I mean? We have one GHK G5 and we have a second one. Let's see what we are going to do here. Okay, here you have them. One had been bought a month ago and the other one was bought just like a couple of days ago. What is it? It's a nice replica of the Scorpion Evo. I'm sorry I cannot show it like the entire gun at the moment because my setup kind of changed and the camera is quite near the table, so I can do only that. The great thing is that they are actually GBB and they are lightweight and they have a pretty nice kick. The other good thing is that they are actually two of them. So what the client wants from us is to actually build a two-tone guns out of each of them. And the main gun which is going to be used is the TAN or the TAN lower receiver and the black upper receiver. So let's see the whole process of making them two tones. Let's see if it's easy, if you have the parts. One definite drawback of this platform is that usually this receiver, the lower receiver, gets cracked here when you use it with the stock retracted, or I don't know how to say, but to one side. So if you actually shoot that gun like it is, this receiver tends to break. Maybe it's not on the first attempt, but somewhere down the road. And what we are going to do, but it's not going to be in this video, it's actually reinforce this piece here and prevent it from cracking, let's say in the next 2 years. Who knows, maybe even more. But let's hope that we can actually make them a little bit more robust than what they are. But generally they are quite good guns and I like them both, no matter if it's tan or black. They look very well and they can be tuned for sure, but the main point here is not to tune them up at the moment, is just to make a nice visuals out of them. Like having them two tones is going to be great. One other thing that we are going to do, or maybe there are a couple more things that we are going to install on the TAN receiver. It's going to be a new very interesting grip, which is very nice, to be honest. It's very sporty and it's looking very futuristic, or yeah, kinda. And we are going to install a tracer with the flame on the front. And what else? Maybe a grip here. I don't like it, but the customer wanted. so I will install it how he wants it. And yeah, let's make a time lapse and see what we are going to do. If this process is very easy to do when you have two guns and they are identical, or it's not going to be something very straightforward, or it will need more than what we want or what we are expecting to. So yeah, stay until the end so you can see the complete guns, and just enjoy, guys. Well guys, we are pretty much there. Didn't took too long. Anyway, I will have to switch the charging handle because the guy is lefty, so I need to actually switch them both to the other side, but I'm not gonna do this right now. So yeah, take a look. Do you like it? I mean, kind of like this one, to be honest. And if we put the magazine on, yeah, not bad, not bad at all. Yeah, for sure. I like it. It's looking very nice. So this gun, it's already done. Let's keep up with the other gun, which is the one which he will use the most out, and it is this version. I kinda like more the stock when it's black, but this is not going to be the only mod. We have this piece, which is a tracer. So the tracer is a stitch blaster. Yeah, we have this thing which I don't like. I'm not gonna put it for the moment because it's gonna, for me, it's gonna make the look of the gun not entirely how I would like to have it, because it's too bulky and it's totally different color. So let's see what we have prepared. This is what we have, guys. F1 Firearms pistol grip, and every time I see this grip, it's making me hard, to be honest. So take a look, guys. This is definitely a very nice grip. I'm in love with this grip. So this is how this will look like. Let's see if we put the magazine. Yeah, this is definitely a very different type of look. This grip I suggest to the customer to buy, and we have to modify it in order to fit, but we will not modify the same grip. We will modify slightly the lower receiver, and I think that I will be able to actually put it. It's made to be used with a paracord here and there in order to make it bulkier, but you can see, man, this is very nice looking and ergonomic aluminum grip, CNC machined. So let's see what we have to do here, what we have to mod in order to get the grip onto it. You can maybe see or not, let me see. Yeah, it's slightly off, and it's off by, let's see, now you can see it there. It's kind of pushed backwards, and we need to grind some material here. I'm not gonna touch this beautiful grip because it costs quite a lot, but I will definitely grind some material here in order to get this thing to fit. And yeah, let's keep the time lapse again. Well, guys, what I was about to do, I didn't thought that it will take me pretty much 3 to 4 hours to complete. So yeah, the grip, definitely it isn't compatible out of the box with the receiver, but as you can see, it's now pretty much attached very well, and almost perfect. I have like maybe less than half a millimeter gap here. I mean, it's not a gap, but it's not placed in line with this, but I don't want to risk to grind more material. I at the end grinded more the grip because I thought that I may have solid plastic here, but unfortunately when I checked if it's possible to grind more, I saw that this is not solid, so I cannot grind more. And I start grinding off the front of the grip and also slightly the angle here, and yeah, we was able to achieve this placement. And it's, man, I like this design. It's very cool when you have a GBB and you don't have a motor here. So yeah, definitely turned out to be very handsome. So let's keep going and actually finish this this build. And yeah, here we have it. I think that it looks awesome. And putting that there, we have the bottom replaced with the black one. We have the back, I mean the stock, the buffer tube or the stock replaced. We have the upper receiver, and I also just make the G5 black because it looks nice. I think that the customer will love this gun, and to be honest, I'm thinking to buy one for myself also. Yeah, definitely it's very sexy looking gun. It's a small, it's a gas blowback, funny gun to shoot, and also it's a very lightweight. This is 2 kilograms or something like that, and it has a very strong recoil. So yeah, I will definitely see, you know, offers somewhere, or I may buy the second one that the customer has. So let me clean this mess and just show the two guns. Let's see if they can actually fit. No, they will not fit. Yeah, I definitely like more this one. It's just because the grip and because the black is more distributed here, and yeah, looks better for sure. So guys, this was all from us. I may put this, but to be honest, I don't like it. I would let the customer put it on its own because it's not my style for sure. But yeah, this is looking very sexy with the F1 hand grip, pistol grip, and it looks like something definitely different and something that you are not so often see on the field. Tell me what you think about the G5 down in the comments. I think for me it's a great looking gun, and I know that it's pretty consistent and it will shoot very far for sure, even stock, because the GHK it's a good brand, no matter that it can split here. But yeah, things that are working not so well like polymer and gas blowback or heavy gas blowback, because this is a blowback that even some of the metal guns don't have. So this recoil here, it's quite hard. So yeah guys, take care of you, and I will see you on the next one.